Immigration wonder when me got in at the bag, yeah. Remember, I'm not a bank robber. It's just a purple haze, stinking skunk. Everybody smell it out and me charge
and them no want we rise up. And then they take us for a ride. Don't want us to be wise, the truth them idle. Them no want we fi rise up. That's why them try to divide us. And then they take us for a ride. Don't want us to be wise, the truth them idle. Them use them religion for cause division, political conflict cause segregation, divide and rule no good for any nation. That's why Rasta chant unification. The people can't survive without education. If the people not collective, all the people are go strong. If they don't organize, they know them are go set a plan. That's why we chant for liberation. When I say unity, strength, I tell the youth them say survival. My on the ism and the schism and the tribal. I'm on the divisional, suicidal. But the oppressors me say and them a rival. Suppressing the people with political rival. Constrain economical tidal. Tell them so we no want no more reprisal. Else we celebration and no idol. One more loving on the region, so we get rid of the division. On the politics with the religion. Let them know say that we not swear no legion. So plant more food, make it grow. Got enough more seed as it sow. How much more trees as it grow? By the sweater you brown, or this is now you brow. Them want divide us, and them no want we rise up. And then they take us for a ride. Don't want us to be wise, the truth them idle. They want to divide us, and them no want we rise up. They want to take us for a ride. They want us to be wise, the truth them idle.
One more life gone down the journey. As I woke up this morning and turned the radio on, I heard the news bulletin, another man dead and gone. He was another victim of the bullet and the gun. It seems there was a hit on him, the way they shot him down. We've been wailing and mourning, another brother's on the ground. We've been wailing and mourning, another loved one is gone. Some blame it on the system for what is going on, but it's up to our thinking to do what's right from wrong. To divide and rule is the down pressers' plan, so they give us their tools of death and destruction. Now we've been wailing and mourning, another brother's on the ground. We've been waiting and mourning, another loved one is gone. Oh Lord, loved ones cry, and we'll start we pray. Good night to all the saints that feel. Of this tribal war, blood clot can fly. Tell me people, when will this thing stop? They make the weapons of death and destruction, and we keep using it to destroy our whole nation. We've been waiting and mourning, another perilous times. I pray that we all will come together. Yes. I pray for us all, Lord, both mighty and small. Oh, shall hear me when I call. Yes. The forces of evil are up against us. Yeah. And we know not who to trust. Give strength, oh God, to the righteous, that we can stand firm and hold on to thy gates. Oh, well, I pray for mankind, in these perilous times. I pray that we all can come together. I pray for us all, Lord, both mighty and small. Oh, shall hear me when I call. There is so much war and rumors of war, and all this gruesome fighting makes no sense at all. Kingdoms after kingdoms, one by one they fall. Seems like we're heading for the judgment board. Lord, I pray for mankind, Lord, in these perilous times. I pray that we all will come together. I pray for us all, Lord, both mighty and small. Oh, shall hear me when I call. Well, this is my call to the God of creation. Well, please hear my call and heed my supplication.
Young war, big war, trade war going on. Yes, trade war, young war going on. Yes, from we was youths growing up. Yeah, you want a gun? They give us weapons of mass destruction. Be our toys, our toy, our toy. You see, now we grow to be a man. Yeah, we never understand what was the plan. Yeah, now we come to see we fight against each other. Yeah, our gang war going on. Yeah, the gang war going on. Yeah, we shooting down our brothers brutally in the street. Yeah. Don't know what that stands for. Give me yeah. Jungle and river, them have a war. Yeah. South side and west side have another war. Yeah. Dunkirk and Backbush, they have a war too. I don't know what they're fighting for. Yeah. You see? But a young war going on. Yes, young war going on. Yes.
Fire. Listen, what a devilish curse, and this is the upright truth. There's nothing worse than killing innocent youths. The killer is a coward, for he took his own life as well. Jah has no sympathy, so may he rot and burn in hell. He had no heart, and he had no soul. The agents of Lucifer had that over control. He had no heart, and he had no soul. The agents of Lucifer had that over control. Listen, the youths were taken away from friends and family. Now we can see them grow and see how strong they could be. but in the presence of Jah, the reward is very legit. While the killer will continue to burn in the fiery pit. He had no heart, and he had no soul. Say the angel of Lucifer had that over control. He had no heart, and he had no soul. Say the agents of Lucifer had that over control. Oh, fire on, fire on, fire, fire, happy one. Fire on, fire on, fire, fire, happy one. Fire on, fire on, fire, fire, happy one. Fire on, fire on, non-stop fire, happy one. What I wanna know is what in the world he was thinking of. Oh, sorry. He wasn't thinking at all. Oh, Lucifer make him take hell over jail. So like a coward he ended all and in hell's he had no heart, no, and he had no soul. Say the angel of Lucifer had that over control. He had no heart, and he had no soul. The angels of Lucifer, oh now, had that over control. Said he had no heart, he had no heart. Said he had no heart, he had no heart. No kind of heart, no kind of heart, no kind of heart, no kind of heart. He had a devilish heart, he had a devilish heart. He had an evil heart, he had an evil heart. He had a bad mind heart, he had a bad mind heart. He definitely had a weak heart.
As life goes on, each and every day, we're faced with the same fight, same struggle, same crap, different days. Poverty is one they try to force in us, trying to confuse us while they lead us astray. Yes, Mr. Politician Man, can't you understand what you do is so damn wrong? Yeah. What about the hope of the nation, Mr. Politician Man? Can't you see you're lacking some wisdom? Yeah. Mr. Politician Man, what is your solution? Yes, 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 yeah. And with the wisdom that Jah has given to man, we only hope you'd see without you on this day. We've been fighting so long to make it all alone, hoping to reach the top. Instead you fight us down. Mr. Politician Man, can't you understand what you do is so damn wrong? Yeah. What about the hope of the nation, Mr. Politician Man? Can't you see you're lacking some wisdom? Yeah. Oh, Mr. Politician Man, what is your solution? You've been squeezing us like a trigger fingers.
We have to be righteous in this time. Boy, yo, yo, yo. Boy, you are brilliant, you like. Chichi, woy, you oh. Born as a man in the ghetto, I know born to come here to suffer. Born as a man in the ghetto, I know born to come here to suffer. I've got to try to fight for my right. I'm not gonna give up. Babylon a try to push me over. Yes, them a try to take over. A born as a man in the ghetto, I know born to come here to suffer. A born as a man in the ghetto, I know born to come here to suffer. Some are we belly full, summer we a ball fi hunger. Jaja, you have to save the children and don't let them suffer. Brill and true like, whoa you, whoa. Babylon a try fi push we over. No, they can't take over. We born as a ghetto soldier. We born as a Rasta man. Brill and true like, chichi whoa you. Me born as a man in the ghetto. Me no born fi come here fi suffer. Me born as a man in the ghetto. Me no born fi come here fi suffer. Ghetto soldier, hold up your hands to the Father. Ghetto soldier, don't let Babylon push you over. Don't let them take over. No way, boy yo. Summer we belly full, and summer we a ball fi hunger. Summer we belly full, and summer we a ball fi hunger. Jaja save the children, and don't let them suffer. Jaja save the people who are suffering in this time. So many people are crying. So many people need some help, and no one is helping the poor man. Me born as a man in the ghetto. Me no born fi come here fi suffer. Me born as a man in the ghetto. Me no born fi come here fi suffer.
Struggling for sure. They must struggle on every side. People they must struggle. Only child must struggle. Only child. The people them balling. Enough of them no eat from morning. The poor hungry youths them yawning. Say Babylon they must get a beating. Yes, the poor people balling. Enough of them no eat from morning. Jah messenger has send out a warning. Don't press that you must get a beating. But it looks like destruction is the one destination for all of us mankind. And in my opinion, only divine intervention can save us in this time. The leaders of this world are void of love, so they don't care if we cry in blood. Cry, my people, cry unto God to save us now. Only He can save us from our suffering and all despair. Our despair, oh Lord. And the people them bad, enough of them no eat from morning, and the poor hungry youths them yawning. Babylon them must get a beating. Yes, the people them bad, enough of them.
Yeah, na. This reggae beat I got me pumping. Why want something pumping? Oh, this a reggae beat ya pumping. Pass me the kush because we hot. Pumping. Why want something pumping? Now this a reggae beat ya pumping. Pass me the kush because we hot. Listen to the bass, listen to the drum pattern, the heartbeat, it heals every nation. This a music can lift up your meditation. This a music give a higher inspiration. This a music it heals up your tension. That's how it's great. If you food it how we play. Make it play, make we concentrate. Make it play, make we build a better nation. Pumping, why want something pumping? Lord, it's a reggae rhythm, pumping. Pass me the push because we hot. Pumping.
In the streets it's getting hot, and the youths them I get so cold. Searching for food for the pot, and they'll do anything to fill that gap, Lord. In the streets it's getting hot, and the youths them I get so cold. searching for food for the pot, where they do anything to fill that gap. As generation comes and grows, you got to make preparation while the youths them grow. It's what you reap, it's what you sow. The youths them are the light and the future, so when that's them, you know. If education is the key, now tell me why the big heads are make it so expensive for we. Give them the key or set them free. In the streets it's getting hot, and the youths them I get so cold. Searching for food for the pot, where they do anything to fill that gap. Whoa. In the streets it's getting hot, and the youths them I get so cold. Searching for food for the pot, where they do anything to fill that gap. Oh na na na, oh mama, oh mama na 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 na. You got to find a better way. Cause when me look at Babylon, me see a beer foul play. I saw the Gideon say, yeah. Our nation come together, know the King's last years, the truth and the light and the way. Teach the people, lead them in the right way. Cause in the streets it's getting hot, and the youths them I get so cold. Searching for food for the pot, they'll do anything to fill that gap. Whoa. In the streets it's getting hot, and the youths them I get.
Wake up in the morning, yes, the fire me lighting. Chant a couple songs of Babylon, me burning. Can't contact a Rastafari works for joking. People need help, hungry people need feeding. Positive works, yes, I got to believe in. Progressive people do things with meaning. Run from yourself, I said your basket a beating. In the Gideon, yeah. You can't do jokey. Now your heart and your mind and your soul. Jokey, that's a left to never take control. This ain't a ring game, this ain't a dandy shandy. I don't scrappy dappy do, I don't Scooby Dooby. It's a Gideon and the battlefield. And if you don't stand firm, a man will eat your meal. And even though you're smiling, you got to be serious. Know when to walk and know when to talk. And even though you're smiling, you got to be serious. Know when to walk and know when to run. And this a Gideon, whoa. See, I'm a Gideon, yeah. You can't do jokey. Now your heart and your mind and your soul. Jokey, that's a left to never take control. To get ahead in life, you gotta be serious. You achieve what you want, you gotta be focused. That's how you gonna trample all the locusts. Cause Rastafari works is not no bogus. Me tell the little youth and self in no job. You can't come chunky off his sober. Against your black brother, no work, no obia. You can't come sprinkle on no powder. You can't do jokey. Now your heart and your mind and your soul. Jokey, that's a left to never take control. Wake up now the morning, yes, the fireman.
The sun is hot, what a scorching day. Babylon a lick shot night and day. No water in the pipe, the youth them out of school. Every type of people just a turn jug me. Countless promises and more wet dream. In every year a hungry youth a scream. Roadblock and Babylon siren tight. No justice for human rights. Oh, what a scorching day. Jaja so my son just a flip down its way. Oh, what a scorching day. Babylon in the ghetto killing night and day. Babylon around the place like a cowboy town. Cause of an unrival get gunned down. Got to find a little place to hide and chill. In the mountain of Mandeville. Sweat a run and them panic inside. Lifeless body of those who put up a fight. They can't restrain so they blow their brain. Street filled with human remain. Yo, they can't restrain so they blow their brain. Street filled with human remain. Yo, oh what a scorching day. Not just so my son just a fling down its way. Oh what a scorching day. Babylon in the ghetto killing night and day. Remember the days of just scorching sun. And now the heat blaze from them flaming gun. Piercing them skin like so much rundown. Babylon have the place like a big showdown. Battled by Olympic pen on the farm. Though they know ghetto youth now inform. Cause after a storm there must be a calm. And everybody read some psalm. Yo, oh what a scorching day. Jaja so my son just a fling down its way. Oh what a scorching day. Babylon in the ghetto
stuck in the night and day. I know that sail and stay in the place. Nobody can get you out of the
Yo, Luciano, tell us something. What it is? Gun wicked Babylon terrible. Gun them because them horrible. I'm gonna burn them in the face and the treble. I'm gonna burn them mad gun they and them treble. Yo! Gun wicked Babylon terrible. You the man say? Gun them because them horrible. Alright. Gun them in the face and the treble. Gun them mad gun they with the alright. Fireman a place and burn them man done. So we not gears we burn them man done. Burn ice age and burn them man done. Fire can't get we burn them man done. Burn the dopey and the grave and burn them man done. Till I see I will praise and burn them man done. Till them open up their ears and burn them man. Burn them man. Luciano say them a burn now. Watch out them a run, but there is no way to run. Burn dirty Babylon terrible. Done them because them horrible. Mr. Burn them from the base and the treble. Mr. Burn them man, burn them with them out. Burn wicked Babylon terrible. Your man say burn them because them horrible. Well, I say burn them from the base and the treble. Yeah, Mr. Burn them man, burn them with the bread. I gotta go and get what's mine. Then stop my flow, then let's stop my shine. I don't know why them get bad mind. Life is so full of under the sign. I gotta go and get what's mine. Then stop my flow, then let's stop my shine. Cause I don't know why them get bad mind. Life is so full of under the sign. Tears from your eyes, rise, and don't be victimized. Rise, yo, rise. Get so useless, weakness line. Rise, then you open up your eyes. Yo, well, big a judgment against the one of them. Tired to hear the people them a ball. Yo, them can't take the pressure in a Babylon at all. Tired to hear the people them a ball. Yo, can't even find money if you go shopping up a mall. Hear the people in my bar. Anyway, me tell them say the wicked man must have to go far. Say hear the people in my bar. Me tell them say to rise up and the fist stand tall. Hey wicked boy, do you ever hear the people them cry? Every day you get up and sell some fight. Who you no say loud then and them you try buy. And tell them how much you clean and bonify. But when we check it out, you are will go to fry. You never hear nothing about the motherless cry. Never hear nothing about the fatherless cry. Every day you boom bye bye. Alright, tired to hear the people in my bar. Yo, them can't take the pressure in a Babylon at all. Tired to hear the people in my bar. Yo, me put a fire right on the house of fall. Tired to hear the people in my bar. Yo, no fat burn me, I'm not gonna get in a the roll car. Tired to hear the people in my bar. Yo, big a judgment against the man and them. Yo, get to you to the bed and listen to this. Nothing was said this is what
Well, fire upon Mr. Wanted Tall. I see you rising for a fall.
Say the whole of we have played the game, yeah. But you alone you want to juggle the ball, yeah. Fire upon Mr. Wanted Tall.
I see you rising for a fall.
Say the whole of we have played the game, yeah. But you alone you want to juggle the ball, yeah.
Me say watch it make me burn out the mess. You know see the poor people them in a stress.
Them give with the worst and them take the best.
Them take the most and then give with the less. Yes.
Well, half of the story have never been told, yeah.
Fight for the dollars, them a fight for the gold.
Them go slip and go slide and go lose control.
In a corruption, them go lose them soul. We fire on Mr. Wanted Tall. I see you rising for a fall, okay.
Say the whole of we have played the game, yeah. But you alone you want to double the ball, yeah.
I'm talking to all the world leaders. Poor people can't take it no longer. Yeah, they dying from hunger. That's why in the street, no the road like river. We say what about the children's future? After you kill off the mothers and the fathers, yeah, you send down your police and your soldiers. You come destroy the earth, the farmers. Well, why you go on Mr. Wanted Call? I see you rising for a fall. Say the whole of we have played the game, yeah. But you are who you want for juggle the ball. Yeah, well, why you on Mr. Wanted Call? I see you rising for a fall. Yeah, say the whole of we have played the game, but you are who you want for juggle the ball. Well, if a blood of the run, make it run, yeah. And if a the fire of the bun, make it run. Well, Babylon said there is nowhere to run. A full time you're free to get the youth out of this slum, yeah. Rain and fall and the dirty eat up, yeah. But the cook and the food is not enough, yeah. And the poorer class, them have it so tough, yeah. Lace up my shoes and me belt, me buckle up. Fire fun, Mr. Wanted Call. I see you rising for a fall. Yeah, so the whole of we are playing the game. Yeah, but you are who you want to juggle the ball. Yeah, fire on Mr. Wanted Call. I see you rising for a fall. Oh, yeah. So the whole of we are playing the game. Yeah, but you are who you want to juggle the ball. Well, Mr. Watch it, make me go down.
Be still, my people, be still. For the devil is rising, he wants us to do his will. By filling our hearts with anger, he wants to divide and conquer. So be still, my people, be still. There is good, there is God in the hearts of everyone. By the way that reflects, you know we should understand. Oh, the running up and down won't help in this time. We all got to be positive in our mind. Chill, my people, be still. Oh, now. Oh, hey, be still, my people, be still. For the devil is arising, he wants us to do his will. By filling our hearts with anger, he wants to divide and conquer. So be still, my people, be still.
Plant up some peas and plant up some corn. Till up the side and rip up my farm. Man, I no time for sit down and keep calm. After work, perform. And much more another baby just born. The little you them a belch and a yarn. Prepare for job, famine and starve. Papa Lucci come for nice something long. I am doing Jawil, moving on still. I gotta make it over like oh, I am doing Jawil, moving on still. I gotta make it over like sometimes my life gets over times, but I won't lie. That hold my mind. I will rise and I will shine, 'cause I know I'll get what's mine. I am doing Jawil, moving on still. I gotta make it over like hell. Oh, yes, I am doing Jawil, moving on still. I gotta make it over like hell. Anybody can bring them, say Papa, Luchi the day. But anybody can bring them, you know
Take my hand, oh child, and walk through this world with I. Take my hand, oh child, and walk through this world with I. Every day is the same old cry. Every day we just fuss and fight. And like to know what's going on down here. Oh child, take my hand, oh child, and walk through this world with I. Take my hand, oh child, and walk through this world with I. They took iron knife from Africa and bring iron knife in bondage. Promise that they gonna free I, but all I get is distraction. Take my hand, oh child, and walk through this world with I. Take my hand, oh child, and walk through this world with I. Tired to see children dying. I'm tired to see mothers crying. They took iron knife from Africa and bring iron knife in bondage. Please take my hand, oh child, and walk through this world with I. Take my hand, oh child, and walk through this world with I. Take it away, take it away.
But we have to face it. Peer pressure them apply, but we have to take it. Keep on putting up resistance without assistance. On them quicks and even if a earthquake, them send comfy shake it. Man have to keep a roof over we head. So we have to go straight, go look my bird. Me no matter when nobody wants say them can't style, I as rent a job. Me a chant one psalm a day, psalm a day. And that me a go use and kill the devil, cause the youth them gone away. So give thanks to see one more and make we chant one psalm a day, psalm a day. And that Rasta use and kill the devil, cause the youth them gone astray. Can't stop me from go on my knees and go pray. Remember say, heights where great man reach and kept. Run up to them by those who slide and slip. That's why the Rasta go on tile and whip. Sweat off me pants and me shirt and me crepe. Yep. Open your mind and increase your reflex. Enough make careless talk and no check. So them ready to kill you like Christ and Nazareth. No people mouth lead them to death. So me chant one psalm a day, psalm a day. And that me I go use and kill the devil, cause the youth them gone away. Chant, chant, keep chanting. Every time the pagan trying to see I go down. Jah deliver me.
Africans unite like Bob Marley told you. Time for stand up for peace like Coke Candy show. You will never discover by Marco Polo. So come on, then we dig for the truth. We spar the library. Enough things that them teach nowadays unnecessary. Them not preach love and sincerity. That's why them always a fight solidarity. Every time the pagan trying to see I go down, Jah deliver me from the hands of my enemy. My enemy, think a whole thing I would go under the ground. Jah deliver me from the hands of my enemy. My enemy. I think we too blessed to be stressed, man. I faith like Daniel. Inna the lion, then you can call pan him and he will. He never let us down, cause Rasta man is so spiritual. We never stop on the wicked man and rebel. Every time the pagan try to see I go down, Jah deliver me from the hands of my enemies. My enemies, dig a whole thing that I would go under the ground. Jah deliver me from the hands of my enemy. My enemy, no matter about the color of your face or your income, only clean heart can enter Jah kingdom. It no matter how much gold you can bring, come make sure you no salt like gypsum. So time to fight for your right, just like Shaka Solo. Africans unite like Bob Marley told you. Time to stand up for peace like Coke Candy show you. We never discover by Marco Polo. So every time the pagan try to see I go down, Jah deliver me from the hands of my enemy. My enemy.
The earth is the Lord and the fullness thereof. Oh, well, and the firmament show forth his handiworks. Glorious things are spoken of thee, O city of the Almighty. Judgment for those who deny thy name. See, Jah Rastafari, Jah Rastafari, Jah Rastafari. Haile Selassie I the first. Search for the man with the word of Jah. Oh yeah, yeah. The one who's got the whole world in his hands. Oh yeah. Might and power of the Trinity. Seal and sign and no one can deny it. No way. Jah Rastafari, Jah Rastafari, Jah Rastafari. Haile Selassie I the first. Yeah. Kings of kings and the lords of lords, conquering Lion of Judah. Kings of kings and the lords of lords, all worldwide savior. Yeah. Kings of kings and the lords of lords, conquering Lion of Judah. Yeah. Kings of kings and the lords of lords, Rasta savior. Yeah. Jah Rastafari, Jah Rastafari, Jah Rastafari. Haile Selassie I the first. Whoa,
set me
the earth is
free. Na 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 na. Jala, set me free. Let me tell you about this friend I know. Stick to me now everywhere I go. A friend indeed, someone I can rely on. Guide me through the sinking sand. Never let me sit up in the seat of the scornful, or walk it in the wages of sinners. No, no. Love with me, love with me, and take me higher. Child love, take me higher. Love with me, love with me, and take me higher. Child love, take me higher. I never seemed to know which way to go until you came along and showed me how to go. You say go, hold on to your pride and stand up strong. Always keep a smile and let it glow, glow. You say glow, with me.
love, take me higher. Child, love, take me higher. Love lift me, love lift me and take me higher. Child, love, take me higher. I wish everyone in this world would acknowledge you. Everyone in this world and you would be friends. Internationally, yes, universally, officially. Lift me up, lift me and take me higher. Love, take me higher. I wish everyone in this world would acknowledge you. Everyone in this world and you would be friends. Love, take me higher. Child, love, take me higher. Love, lift me up. I hope you never hear the things that they say. Oh, Nana. I hope you never hear the things that they say about me. Boy, I hope you never hear the things that they say. Oh, Nana. I hope you never hear the things that they say about me. Boy, they make a note of the relationship war going on with me and you. A little news me hear them carry still going on with me and you. Everything's a clock, me hear a different story. Oh my God, they're all about some glory. He loving you and you loving me. It's going on with me and you. Boy, I hope you never hear the things that they say. Oh, Nana. I hope you never hear the things that they say about me. Boy, I hope you never hear the things that they say. Oh, Nana. I hope you never hear the things that they say about me. Oh, boy, they sort of come teacher and they share to and I know that ain't true. They say that I am one of the poorest people, just to get next to you. Boy, I hope you never listen to things that they say. Oh, Nana. Boy, I hope you never hear the things that they say about me. Boy, I hope you never listen to things that they say. Oh, Nana. Boy, I hope you never hear the rumors they spread about me. Boy, they're only trying to mess with your integrity when they're telling you all different types of story. Some only trying to wear you down. Some will come with their one bag of crap, trying to stop you from reach the top. They're only trying to keep you down. I hope you never hear the things that they say about me. I hope you never hear the things that they say. Oh, Nana. I hope you never hear the rumors they spread about me. Why? I hope you never hear the words that they say.
I know Jaja bless me, I'm sure. I know He protects me, I'm secure. I know Jaja bless me, cause I'm always defending the poor. I know Jaja bless me, I'm sure. I know He protects me, I'm pure. I know Jaja bless me, from city to city, shore to shore. Some say again, seek and you find. Can't take what is mine. Seek and you find. Burn it and bad mind. Seek and you find. And Jah will let your light shine. Seek and you find. Yeah, you want to let some. Jah bless every man with his own. See mine and leave it alone. Don't be like the greedy dog. See the shadow and go losing bone. Ever try to wear him and crown? Have you even tried to see them in the town? Then you see your brothers and your sister rising. Never try to pull them down. Some say again. Seek and you find. You can't take what is mine. Seek and you find. Burn it and bad mind. Seek and you find. And
none of them couldn't curb I. Oh, them a go on like them want murder. When Jobless I with the third eye. Feel look deep in the bird eye. Tell them for my bird eye. That one young girl. Seek and you find. Can't take what is mine. Seek and you find. Burn it up bad mind. Seek and you find.
Thank you, Jah. You make I live to see another day. Still going strong. Thank you, Jah. You make I live to see so many years. And remember where I'm coming from. Alright, Jah bless I with the blessing and the empowerment. Jah thank you for the energy and thank you for the strength. You bless I from the essence of life with excellence. With self-determination, bless I with the confidence. Humility and tolerance with the diligence. Pagans them want to fight but them can't jump over my fence. Me tell them figure tense. No one them in our presence. Rastafari is the ultimate. To you, them that have been exploited. Babylon make the ghetto you, them get delighted. See them now, them get overexcited. So you class them generation, you as vipers. Thank you, Jah, come my future never been blighted. That's why I have to always give ISIS. Love when they get to youth, them rising. Loving at them out and say them like live the one them. Thank you, Jah. Ever lose my soul. Yeah, Jah bless I make I brave and bold. Pagan don't even try to take control. Everything is written in the ancient scroll. Give thanks for life when I go down in a hole. The lightning flash the world, I create the thunder road. Them said they have never been told, but now the truth will have to unfold. Me say again, thank you, Jah. You make I live to see another day. And still going strong. Thank you, Jah, Jah. You make I live to see this morning.
Say them raise up the gas this year. I know them raise up the taxi fare. Hey, Ed, how we are gonna manage? Markland, tell them to come with a better plan.
Sweet Jamaica, land of food and water. I'm on Banya, and I not live. Them want wreck ya, and them a life of Satan. I'm on love ya, now sell out Jamaica.
Oh, I know this world we living in can be a better place if we all come together and communicate. Because me tired of them pressure and them murder rate. We need some better officers to come investigate. If them they live their life, relieve them woulda feel the pain. Certain leaders give we gun and still not get no blame. To them rich enough to fly around in aeroplane. I hear them come with lies and tricks to get my people vote again, yeah.
I need my people to help me, cause me alone cannot change the world. I need my people to help me, can't do it alone, it's too much for my brain. I need my people to help me, everywhere I look, the crime rate's still the same. I need my people to help me.
Oh, this world is made up of two different people. people. One study good while one study evil. The evil one always mislead you, and the good one will always help you. But you got to know which side you are on, because if you don't know, that's where you are wrong, my friend. Lying lips is abomination, and the good word you speak can help you lead the nation, yeah. I need my people to help me, cause me alone cannot change the world. I need my people to help me, can't do it alone, it's too much for my brain. I need my people to help me, everywhere I look, the crime rate's still the same. I need my people to help me.
I'm walking in the way of the righteous, and along in the path of justice. Yes, I'm walking in the way of the righteous, and along in the path of justice. Wisdom dwells together with prudence. I possess wisdom and discretion, cause I hate all pride and arrogance, evil behavior and perverse speech. Oh, counsel and judgment belong to Jaja, so I man will never judge my brother. As I'm walking in the way of the righteous, and along in the path of justice. I'm walking in the way of the righteous, and along in the path of justice. I have understanding and power given to me by the Holy King of Kings. He leadeth me in the path of justice. I was here from the beginning of time. By eternity I was so divine, with the words of justice. Yes, I walk in the way of the righteous, and along in the path of justice. I'm a walking in the way of the righteous, and along in the path of justice. Yeah. I'm a walking in thy way. When trumpets sound, we go. I will be there. When the angels of heaven come down, Rastafari will show them that they came. Walking in the way of the righteous, and along in the path of justice. I'm walking in the way of the righteous, and along in the path of justice.
Unite and praise your name. The favor of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom and overstanding. Let's heed to the call. Come one and all, let's humble ourselves and serve Him, so that Mother Earth will rejoice again and meet the hearts of the sorrows and pain. Hey, let the people rejoice and call on your name, so the land can heal again.
Of life will surely increase.
just love and peace, there'd be no need, there'd be no greed. 'Cause together we will all achieve. With one goal in mind, we're sure to find a global peace of mind. And all war will cease from west unto east. And that is my belief. When the people rejoice and call unto name, then the land will heal again. When the people unite and call unto name, then the love of God will reign. There's one solution to this confusion. Let's open our eyes and we realize only divine intervention by the God of creation can save our lives that we may survive. And we must work together to achieve. And once we believe, then we will receive. And there is salvation for everyone. Let the people rejoice and call unto name. Then the land will heal again. And the people unite and call unto name. Then the love of God will reign. When the people rejoice and call unto name, Mother Earth will heal again. When the people unite and call unto name,
And all that's within me, bless my heart, I pray, and be my company. Guide my steps, I say, and let me go thy way, so that I never stray from thee, no way. As I journey on through life, this road seems never ending. Be my light so I might find the way that's narrow and winding. Help me hold my faith and lead me to thy gate. Let me enter in your pavilion of righteousness. Lord, bless my soul, oh child, and all that's within me. Bless my heart, I pray, and be my company. Guide my steps, I say, and let me go thy way, so that I will never stray from thee, no way. I will sing of mercy and judgment unto thee, O Lord, and I will walk along thy path with a perfect heart. I will set no evil thing before my eyes. And I will give thee praise with each day I rise. And I will never get weary, as long as you are here with me. I will walk uprightly, sing unto you with honor and glory. Bless my soul, oh child, and all that's within me. Bless my heart, I pray, and be my company. Guide my steps, I say, and let me go thy way, so that I will never stray from thee away. Bless my soul, oh Father God, I pray. Oh yeah, bless my soul as I journey on through life. This road is never ending. Be my light so I can find the way that's narrow and winding.
let your people go. Wicked Babylon, you're gonna reap what you sow. If you know what I know, you better let your people go. You set up your evil system to work the people for nothing and think you will get away. Never. Someday you'll have to pay. You give benefits to a few to enforce your point of view. But tell me what you gonna do when the tables turn on you. Wicked Babylon, you better let your people go. If you know what I know, you better let your people go. Wicked Babylon, you gonna reap what you sow. If you know what I know, you better let your people go. Unconscionable plutocrats, you live in the life of diplomats. You watch the people struggle with the little that they got. You legislate your laws just to safeguard your outlaws who rob and rape and plunder the hard-working sufferers. Wicked Babylon, you better let your people go. If you know what I know, you better let your people go. Wicked Babylon, you're gonna reap what you sow. If you know what I know, you better let your people go. As sure as the sun shines, up in the skies, those whom you victimize get stronger and wise. The fire is blazing while the tables are turning. Generations are learning. Now open up their eyes. Wicked Babylon, you better let your people go. If you know what I know, you better let your people go. Say wicked Babylon, you're bound to reap what you sow. If you know what I know, you better let your people go.
See them working on just to achieve our goal. Now to sell my soul. Working on and taking full control. Working on just to achieve our goals. Now to sell my soul. Working on and watch the pagans they make the roll. Get a youth a son. So we're working from nights after night, yeah. And we're working from fight after fight, yeah. And we're taking from heights after heights. And life we promote which is right. Yo, and then me tell the youth them send the first no bother fight. Say stand up for them justice and them equal rights. And keep it real and polite. Plant the seed, protect the fruits till them right. We're working on just to achieve a goal. Now we sell the soul. Big on the dark road. So we're working on just to achieve our goals. But now go sell my soul. We're working on and taking full control. Working on just to achieve our goals. But now go sell my soul. Head I go roll. Well, bigger judgment. I'ma tell them this. Watch this now. This ain't nothing in life not come easy. So tell the wicked man say them better leave with. And when them see we tell them say them not need me. Because enough things them do and displease with. Some say them a friend and them not stop from deceive with. Some are burning out the envy and the greedy. And them fight against the poor and the needy. Fight against the weedy. Some we're working on just to achieve our goals. But now I'm gonna sell my soul. Big under the road. We're working on just to achieve our goals.
All things are get harder, things are get tough. Down in a yard, they're easy fit on cuff. Left, right, and center, things not enough. That's why no youth straight and touch the white stuff. You know see no man a sell out weapons and shot. All who are bound to the devil must cut. Remember we all things till I see I bust. They better climb a tree right now like Sapiens. Some of them want talk. A fire we are born. Fire we are, fire we are, fire we are born. All them attack and a beat up them gum rasta man no coconut run down. Tell them one talk. A fire we are born. Fire we are, fire fire, we a fire, we a burn. Everybody know this. Anyway we turn them can. This Rasta in a jam down. So you have to remember, say to give thanks every morning when you're bored. If you want to make it in your heart, no carry on grudge. Enough of them a melt like a ice cream. But fill up your best, free your mind with love. You know you say Rasta man, no watch people, no time at all. Anything we rise against Rasta man, them up we fall. In the earth, man, a real fireball. So I see I alone name and a call. So make them want talk. A fire we a burn. Fire we a fire, we a fire, we a burn. All them attack and a beat up them gum. Rasta man, no coconut run down. Tell them one talk. A fire we a burn. Fire we a fire, we a fire, we a burn. Everybody know this. Anyway we turn them can. This Rasta in a jam down. Remember say fire burn them dirty lifestyle. We no matter who a bow out me Kyle. Don't teach certain things to me child. Remember man a big man done this me juvenile. Dance and music them was spoil. Never sign them out there till the style. Pass my shaitan, pass me file. Let me show them move a blood start boil. So make them want talk. A fire we a burn. Fire we a fire, we a fire, we a burn. All them attack and a beat up them gum. Rasta man no coconut run down. Tell them one talk. A fire we a burn. Fire we a fire, we a fire, we a burn. Everybody know this. Anyway we turn them can. This Rasta in a jam down. Cause things a get harder, things a get tough. Down in a yard they easy fi turn tough. Left, right and center, things not enough. That's why no youth straight and touch the white stuff. You know see no man a sell out with pants and shut. All who about to the devil must cut. Remember we all think so that's the I bust. They better climb a tree right now like Zacchaeus. So make them want talk. A fire we a burn. Fire we a fire, we a fire, we a burn. All them attack and a beat up them fight. Shot man now no give up in the life. Them can't stop we from reaching our heights. Cause we say man got to be a rebel. To live comfortable. You got to be a rebel in this time. Where we say you got to be a rebel. To live comfortable. Get so you don't stop fight. We protect them lifeline. Rasta, red, green and gold and me suit a khaki. Being every day so Rasta no nasty. Work for where we want to live like Liberace. Me no Bruce Lee we fight Karachi. Remember, man I trod the earth like ancient monarchy. Road of life a long time me a walkie. Sunshine or rain or night time on the darky. The truth me stand up and a talkie. And when me say, man got to be a rebel. To live comfortable. You got to be a rebel in this time. Where we say you got to be a rebel. To live comfortable. Man I fight very hard to protect them lifeline. Time rough, so man I juggle little green banana, little beans. Now no time for act like bossy deal. We have one bag of money and the top of mean. How we can a man straight them no in. Every king round us so have a queen. Everybody you don't know what me mean. Bust a blank in the ear from your in. And say, you got to be a rebel. To live comfortable. You got to be a rebel in this time. When we say, you got to be a rebel. To live comfortable. You got to be a rebel in this time. Say in a desolate place, a man a look them bird. But in a certain place, still not go push my head. Rastafari put a roof over we head. And we have to give thanks for life, cause we no dead. Nah say load fi gun, I'm no scarlet. Nah say load fi no bulla and bread. Remember man a burn the fire red. So we nah live like rent a trade. Where we say, man got to be a rebel. To live comfortable. You got to be a rebel in this time. Where we say, you got to be a rebel. To live comfortable. Get to you to fight hard to protect them lifeline. Man got to be a rebel. To live comfortable. You got to be a rebel in this time.